In this video, I will show you how to connect Facebook and Instagram with Shopify account. To begin, open two new tabs in your browser. In the first tab, log into your Shopify account. In the second tab, go to business.facebook.com and log into Meta Business Suite using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. This ensures you have both platforms ready for the integration process. Once you're logged into Meta Business Suite, go back to Shopify and navigate to the Apps section from your Shopify dashboard. Click on Visit Shopify App Store and use the search bar to look for Meta. From the search results, find the Facebook and Instagram app developed by Meta, ensuring you select the official application to avoid third-party tools that might charge unnecessary fees. Click on Add App and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Shopify to access your Facebook business account. After successfully adding the app, return to the Facebook and Instagram sales channel within Shopify and start the setup process. During this stage, you will be prompted to connect your Meta business account. If you don't already have one, you need to create it by entering your business name, your full name, and a valid business email address. Once the account is created, you'll be asked to choose the Facebook page you want to link to your Shopify store. If no suitable page exists, you can create a new one directly within Meta Business Suite. After selecting the appropriate page, the system will proceed to sync your accounts. Next, you'll reach the data sharing settings. Here, it's best to enable the enhanced data sharing option. This setting allows Meta to use advanced tools like the Meta Pixel to track customer interactions and provide insights into how users engage with your Shopify store. If you don't have a Meta Pixel already set up, you can create a new one. Make sure to name it something identifiable, such as Shopify Pixel, to easily distinguish it from other pixels you might use for different projects. Once you've set up the pixel, Shopify will ask you to review and accept the Facebook Terms of Service. Carefully read through the terms, then agree and submit your setup for review. The review process might take some time, but once it's approved, your Shopify store will be fully integrated with Facebook and Instagram. This integration allows you to manage your product catalog, run targeted ads, and even sell directly through Facebook Shops and Instagram Shopping. Before submitting it for review, go to Meta Business Suite, open Events Manager from the Tools section, and find the newly created pixel under Data Sources. I'll rename it to something like Shopify Clients for clarity. Once that's done, I'll return to Shopify, agree to Facebook's terms, and submit the setup for review. The verification process may take a while, so be patient. After verification, I'll complete the business verification by providing my details and uploading the necessary documents. Finally, once verified, my Shopify product catalog will sync automatically with Facebook and Instagram, and I'll be ready to start running ads and tracking sales data. With everything connected, your products will automatically sync between Shopify and your Meta Business Suite, making it easier to track inventory and sales across platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Facebook and Instagram accounts with Shopify account. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.